Restricted mode on YouTube explanation. Hello everyone, in this video I'm gonna tell you about the restriction mode on YouTube. In this video you will get a detailed information on what restricted mode is. Firstly, go to your App Store or Google Play Store and search for the YouTube app. Search for any kind of updates that may be available. After that, go back to your home page and open the YouTube app. In YouTube, make sure you are logged in to your account. From the bottom, go to the U tab. Firstly, let's locate where the restricted mode is. Tap on the setting gear icon at the top right corner. From your settings interface, click on General at the very top. Inside General, you will see options like this. Right here, you will see the restricted mode. Before turning it on, let's see what it does. Restricted mode helps hide potential mature videos. No filter is 100% accurate. This setting only applies to this app on this device. So the restricted mode helps to block mature video on YouTube. So that is it for this video. I will see you in the next one. Thank you.